Good morning, students. Today, let us study what is mode. Okay, I will just dictate the meaning of mode. Just write it down. Mode is the value which has the highest frequency. Mode is the value. Mode is the value which has the highest frequency. Full stop. So it is denoted by Z. It is denoted by Z. Okay, so the formula for the individual and discrete series is the value with highest frequency. Full stop. Okay, so for individual series and discrete series, you will select the highest frequency. In frequency column, you have to select the highest number. That is individual and discrete series formula. Coming to continuous series. The formula for continuous series is Z is equal to L plus F minus F1 into C, the whole thing divided by 2F minus F1 minus F2. I will repeat, Z is equal to L plus F minus F1 into C divided by 2F minus F1 minus F2. So, what do you mean by L? You should all know that we have already solved it. L is equal to the lower limit of class interval. Okay. Now coming, what is F? F is the frequency. Coming to what is C? C, it is the width of the class interval. The size of the class interval. Width or the size of the class interval. Coming to F1, it is the frequency. Of the class interval preceding. I have already taught you what is preceding. Preceding is nothing but the selected class intervals before item is preceding. The next F2 is equal to the frequency of class interval succeeding. Frequency of class interval succeeding. Okay, succeeding is nothing but the selected class intervals, the next item will be succeeding before item. The previous item is called as preceding. Okay. Now we will start doing your problems related to your mode, calculation of mode, that is individual series. As you all know that in individual series, it is only X data will be given. In individual series, only X data is given. So please remember that only when one value is given, then it is called as individual series. Okay. So the first problem, the following are the number of children for 20 couples, children for 20 couples. Find the mode. Okay. So under number of children per couple, this is the heading of that particular X data. Okay. So it is 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 0, 5, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3. This is the question. You will write it in one straight line. If at all it is not enough, you can use the second line. I've just done the rough data. I've just written in a rough sheet. Okay. So once the problem is given, so what you will find out, which series is this? Okay, they've asked you to find out what is mode. So which series? When only one data is given, it means it is individual series. Okay, so first what you will do is, you will just write the X data. How will you write the X data? Which is the number which starts? You can find it is 0. So 0 you will write. Do you have 1? Yes. Do you have 2? Yes. Do you have 3? Yes. Do you have 4? Yes. Do you have 5? Yes. Do you have 6? Yes. Okay, so the 6 numbers is given. It is there in your data. So the next point is, you have to tallies. You have to mark your tallies. Tallies is nothing but just marking it off. Okay. So you can find 2 here. So under 2 you will take it 1 minute. Yes. So under 2 you will just put a line. Okay. Next is 3, line. 6, line. 3, again next to 1, first line you will put another line. Okay. So 3 is done. Then 4, then 0, then 5, then 2, again 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3. Now students, here you have to see, concentrate. What I have done is, tally means the number of times it is repeated. I've written. You can see 0 is repeated 2 times. So 2 lines you can find. This is called as tally. Ma'am, why can't we write 2? No, that is not the way you write your tallies. Tally should always be in this particular format. But please remember, once 4 line is there, the 5th line should scratch these 4 lines. That means this particular thing is 5. Okay, it is that way. I will just give you another example. If it is 10, if the data is 10, what happens? 1, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total is 10. This is how you will put it. Okay. So we'll come back. Once you have done your tallies, you have to find out your frequency. Okay. So you can see there is 2, there is 3, there is 5 plus 1, 6, 4, 3, 1, 1. So from this particular frequency, what do you find out? Mode. Mode means it is the highest frequency. So highest frequency is nothing but you can find 6. So in 6, what it is there? In 6, what is the answer? So Z is equal to 2. So the number of children per couple is 2. That is mode is 2. So 2 children per couple. 2 children per couple. So hope you understood, students. This is the first problem under mode. Mode is nothing but it is the highest frequency. The value with highest frequency is called as mode. Okay. So this is under your individual series. Coming to your next problem. I don't find any problems for discrete, but we'll solve one problem under discrete. So this is discrete series. Okay. So we are talking about discrete series. Okay. So take the problem. Your x is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and your f will be 1, 4, 7, 9, 0. If this is your number, if this is your discrete series, how will you get to know? It is x and f. Two values is given, x and f value. So what is mode? Mode is equal to the highest frequency, the value which is got the highest frequency. Here you can find 9. So the value for 9 which is got the highest frequency is 20. So your z is equal to 20. So this is the solution for your discrete series. So coming to your continuous series, I will continuous series. Okay. The problem I will just read it out. Just take it down. For the continuous series. For the following distribution, find the mode. You have two columns. One is percentage marks, and the other one is number of students. Under percentage marks, you have 10 to 19. Next 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79. Coming to number of students, it is 8, 19, 29, 36, 25, 13, 4. Okay. So in this particular problem, you can see that the percentage marks, that is your x value, is given under your exclusive series. So what you have to do is, it is given in an inclusive series. So what you have to do is, you have to convert it to exclusive series. So how do you convert? I have told you already that you have to deduct 0.5 from the lower limit and you will add 0.5 to the upper limits. So that is the reason I didn't write it down. I will just write it down. I will convert from inclusive series to exclusive series. Okay. So it is 10 to 19. So I will just deduct 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So it comes this. So it is 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, and 59.5 to 69.5. The last one is 69.5 to 79.5. Okay. Now this is your frequency. This is your frequency. I know it is not so neat, but you all have to write it very neatly. Okay. I can't. I am holding in one hand the camera and the other hand is I'm writing. So that's the reason I'm not able to manage both the things. That's it. Okay. Yes. So once X and F is done, what you have to do is nothing but you have to select which is the highest frequency. In this particular problem, you can see your highest frequency is 36. So the value which is got the highest frequency is 39.5 to 49.5. If at all there is only one number, you could have just written what is that number. But here it is between this 39.5 to 49.5. So we have to calculate what it is. So what is your formula? Your formula is Z is equal to L plus F minus F1, the whole thing into C divided by 2F minus F1 minus F2. That is your formula. Now what is F? This is called as F. What is preceding? Preceding is F1. What is succeeding? F2. What is C? The difference between, which is 10. And what is your lower limit? This will be your lower limit. I'm sorry, I will just explain once again. What is F1? Preceding number. What is F2? Succeeding number. What is F? That particular highest frequency. What is your C? The difference between is 10. What is your lower limit? 39.5. Okay, so we will solve it. What is your L? 39.5 plus F1 is 36 minus F is 36 minus F1 is 29 into 10, the whole thing divided by 2 into F, which is 36 minus 29, which is F1 minus F2 is 25. Okay. So coming back, it is 39.5 plus, you take the difference, it is 7 into 10. Here it is 36 gives you 12 and 72. So 72 minus 29 minus 25. You will all use your mind, or else your mind is not given certain calculation. Please try, avoid calculators. Try calculating it by yourself. So 77 into 10 is 70. Now 72 minus 29, which gives you, this is 6, 12, here it is 3, here it is 4. So 43 minus 25. So here again 3, it is 13, which gives you 8 and 1. So 18. Okay. Now it is 39.5 plus yeah, plus you have to deduct this 70 divided by 18. I do not know what is the answer, but please check the answer what exactly it is. Okay, but your final answer should be around 43.4%. I do not know whether this is correct. That's because in the question it says it is 79 here. Okay, just check if it is 79 or what. But 36 minus 29 gives you only 7. I do not know how 79 is come. Just check. If this is tallying, then the answer is right. If it is not tallying, but still, whatever the answer you have to get it here, that is exactly right. Okay, so this is your continuous series. So let's solve one more problem. Just write it down, just take it. Okay, just 1 minute. I will just give you 1 minute. Yes, so students, we will just calculate your another problem relating to continuous series. That is your second problem. So on 330 successive days, 330 successive days, voltage is measured on the power line. I will just show you the question. On 330 successful days, voltage is measured on the power line and the data recorded as follows. You will just take the data. So it is voltage, that is volts. You will take out these numbers. Okay. You will just take it down. Yes. So I will just write the voltage. So voltage is 214 to 218, 218 to 222, 222 to 226, 226 to 230, 230 to 234. Okay. So students, I hope my handwriting it has been understood by you all. Please try understanding the handwriting. Okay, so the frequency is 15, 37, 86, 164, 28. Okay, how will you get to know it is a continuous series? You will get to know whether it is if class interval, if they have given the problem in the way of class interval, then it means it is continuous series. Then it is frequency. The first thing what you will do, you will find out the highest frequency and you will just mark it off. From finding out your highest frequency, so this will be F, this will be F1, this will be F2. The difference between these two is 4. So C is equal to 4 and this will be the lower limit. Okay, now you will use your formula Z is equal to L plus F minus F1 into C divided by 2F minus F1 minus F2. Now L means 226 plus F means it is 164 minus 86 into 4 divided by 2 into 164 minus 86 minus 28. This is your formula. So 226 plus what is 164 minus 86? It is 86, 80, 80, 160. So 78. Hopefully it is 78. 164 minus 86. So it is 514. So it comes around 4, 8. And it is 15, 8, 9, 10 and 5, 78. Correct. Okay, into 4 divided by what is 164 into 164. It is 8, 12, 328 minus 86 minus 28. So minus 28, it gives you 300 minus 86, that is 2. Here it is again 9, it becomes here 10, 4, it is 1, 2. 2, 14, 2, 14. 78 into 4. So 78 plus 78, 8, 8, 16. 7, 7, 14, 15 plus 156, 6, 6, 12, 11 and 3, 312. So just calculate what is 312 divided by 214. I do not know, I don't have a calculator here, just check the answer. So you should have around 227.46 as your Z. 227.46. Okay, so if it is, that is the answer, then it should have 1.46. Just check it. Okay, and let me know. Okay students, so hope you all understood the question. Just take a minute to write it down. Take a minute to just write it down. Yes. So let me recap once again. Yeah, I will just bring back my papers. Yes. So I told you that mode, we are studying mode. So mode is the value which has the highest frequency. So it is denoted by Z. So the formula for the individual series and discrete series, there is no such formula, but the highest frequency will be taken. The value of the highest frequency is mode. So for continuous series, it is Z is equal to L plus F minus F1 into C divided by 2F minus F1 minus F2, where L is the lower limit of the frequency, F is the frequency, F1 will be the preceding frequency, C is the class width, F2 is the succeeding frequency. Okay, so hope you all understood these things. Yeah. Okay, if there is any doubt, you can call me. Any doubt, please do call me and ask. Okay, and messaging, yes, I don't message many of them. That's because I'm not used to messaging. So it is better you call, and I don't find time for myself to message also. That's the reason I tell you to just call and confirm your answers. Yeah. Okay, students, have a great day. Thank you.